Muthugutho wa rwimbo rwa rumba ni urakinyeire andu a kuma Githumo aria nao mareyumiriria kwa wingi o mundu akienda kamweke ga guthugutha nyimbo icio. Nyimbo njega ni irathirikire rumwe thutha wa rungi o mundu akionania uria oi kwihiuria.
Tumewapenda watu wa Citizen, hata mimi nasikiaga Citizen tena Ramogi pia.
Radio Citizen is always good. I try to listen to music, try to learn the language and try to interact with new people, so it's very easy for you to understand what is happening there.
Oho, amemerekia matiganite a Radio Citizen ni mareyumiriria ta Obachi Machoka, Muzazi Willy Tuva, Munai, Mwala na angi aige aria marakenetio ni kamweke kau ga kuota kuonana na mashabiki ao imwe kwa imwe na guthugutha nao nyimbo icio cia rumba.
Ya Radio Citizen ni kitu kinatambulika hapa. We are extremely excited and we hope that the people of Kisumu are gonna have fun like never before.
Hatari gaja urare utuko uria andu aingi matakuriganirwo na ihenya. Radio Citizen ni thiete na mbere na kwirira mashabiki ayo ikeno makiria icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwa Kate Muthoni.